Hi there, folks. This is Luke Charles Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your Class B and B Plus RV specialists. My friends call me Luke and my sisters call me Charlie, but you can call me anytime at 440 Ohio RVs. My brother Levi or I would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see the pricing and information on this unit. Once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full-service dealer offering a warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 440 Ohio RVs. Again, that's 440 OHIO RVS. For sale today, we have a 2003 Pleasureway Excel TD with 51,789 miles. Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this 2003 Pleasureway Excel TD. This is a TD, meaning it has the permanent twin sleepers rather than the Power Sofa, which is the TS model, standing for twin sofa. As usual, I'm going to start in the front, work my way towards the rear. I'm going to do my best to give you a good idea of the overall floor plan and the overall condition of this unit. Here at Kuhn Truck and RV, we are proud to be a family-owned and operated dealership since 1976. Today, my brother Levi and I are in charge of the main operations. Our brother-in-law Greg is in charge of the shop. All of these RVs go through the same inspection process before they hit the web. We'll go through a full demo with you at the time of sale. Got about 74 inches of headroom in the main part of the coach, about 62 inches here at the air conditioner. Got your TV antenna crank there. You don't want to drive around with that TV antenna up, but you can crank that up while you're parked. Got the fantastic fan in the center. It's going to act like an exhaust fan if you're cooking or taking a shower and you get some moisture in here. The bathroom showers inside of this door. Or you can use this like an exhaust fan or an attic fan at night. If you open up the windows, this will bring the cool outside air in and cool you off at night. That runs on the coach battery. Nice, easily accessible entryway. Got a stash spot in the door. Fire extinguisher. This is a speaker that's connected to the radio up front. Porch light switch and a ceiling light switch. This window does open, but it does not have a screen. Got your levels test for your gray, black, fresh water, and your coach battery. Water pump on-off switch. Generator start-stop. That has 48 hours. It's an Onan 2800. There's a fresh service, fresh oil change by our certified Onan techs. Water heater on-off. That lights itself. Noxious gas detector. Got a paper towel holder up here. Got a nice mix of hard surface flooring and carpet throughout. Hard surface flooring makes it easier to keep things clean. Got a couple little dings in the vinyl linoleum flooring here. Stepping into the kitchen area. Aluminum backsplash. 2-burner propane cooktop. This window does open on the lower portion with a screen. Got a little spice rack there. Single basin stainless sink. Got a 110 outlet there. It's your water pump down there. That clear tube is a winterization kit. Makes it easier to winterize. Got the propane furnace here. That's controlled via the thermostat here on the wall. Some of your electrical connections there. Not somewhere you're going to go too often or want to store things. So we have a 3-way Dometic fridge freezer. This is a 3-way, meaning it runs on AC, so your shore power plug-in or your generator. DC, meaning the coach battery, or propane gas. It's all controlled via the controls on the front of the unit. There are directions inside on the bottom of the fridge box if you forget how to use that. I'll flip you around now and show you the microwave. You can use that on the plug-in or the generator only. Got a closet here, a little hang rod up top. Table legs, get your table. We've got the world famous Pleasureway wet bath. So essentially you can pull this curtain around you on this track. Got a little towel bar behind you. Got a window that opens here with a screen. Got the shade as well for privacy. Pink stuff in there is because this is winterized. Got a little railing here for your soaps. But essentially you're going to sit inside of here, pull this curtain around you. Everything's going to drain into the basin here. Got 3 drawers. Storage beneath the sink. Got a medicine cabinet that does open. Got your shower head there. Some plug-ins so you can do your hair or other things inside of here. Go ahead and step in here quick so you can see what this looks like for a 6'3", 240-pound guy. I can fit inside of here. Not tons of room, but one of the better bathrooms you can get in a camper van. Here in the back, got more storage. TV remotes. Got your AC overhead that runs on the generator or the shore power plug-in only. It's controlled via the switches on the front of the unit. Got windows that open on both sides with screens on the lower. These windows do not open. So essentially you can sleep in these as they are. It makes it easy to get out at night without crawling over one another. You can also pop this down on the floor, use some boards to make up the center, and these cushions will fill in the big bed. I'm gonna go ahead and drop some pictures now so you can see what that looks like and get some measurements. The twin sleepers measure approximately 72 inches long and 29 inches wide on the driver's side, and just a little shorter at about 70 inches long on the passenger side. If you make up the big bed in the back, it will measure approximately 70 to 72 inches front to back and 80 inches side to side. This bed is technically designed for 2, but you could potentially sleep 3 people lying either direction if so desired. Down here along the floor in the rear, got a little storage spot here. Got drawers on both sides. Noxious gas detector. Got your table mount for the rear. 110 power. Got your fuse panel. This accesses the rear storage area that you can get into from the rear entry doors. Got 2 drawers. Back your water heater. And then under here, got this red key. This is your coach battery disconnect. If you can pull that key out, it means it's disconnected. If you can't pull that key out, it means it is on or connected. So that disconnects the coach battery to prevent parasitic draw. That also disconnects your charging systems, which are your shore power plug-in, the alternator while you drive, and the generator. Here we are sitting at the rear of the RV. Got a little stain there on the carpet. I accidentally took my cat's meds this morning. Don't ask me how, but I'm feeling better. We've got speakers in the rear here in the ceiling on both sides. These go to the TV here. So the TV has a built-in DVD player. Watch movies, watch TV, and you'll be able to hear the speakers in the back play the sound. The TV can also flip out to face the front. The front 2 chairs both swivel, however the passenger seat will get a lot better view because the cabinet and the steering wheel impede this one, but you could watch TV from the front. We do have an inverter, so you can turn the inverter on and off here. What the inverter does is takes the DC coach battery power and it inverts it back to AC, so you can watch your TV whenever you'd like, as long as you have charging your coach battery. We've got a coax in, the booster for the TV antenna, 12-volt power. Got 2 110 outlets, got another 12-volt plug in there. This switch here says it switches the speakers in the rear to play the music that you're listening to up front. I could not get any of that sound to come out. However, it did work with the TV. So whenever you're watching TV, you'll have the sound, but you will not for the radio. Got some of your manuals in there. All in all, a nice unit here. Has gone through our full inspection process. A couple blemishes here and there, as you'd expect in a 2003 unit. All in all, though, I think this one's very clean, very desirable floor plan. Ready to hit the road. I'm going to call this one a 9 out of 10. Check it out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Up here in the cabin area, we have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt, cruise, CD, and cassette player. We got this privacy curtain that goes all the way around the track in the front. Curtain's located here, but you can pull that around for privacy. We've got another table here, a small circular one behind the driver's chair We've got a mount in the floor here beneath this plug. Upholstery's in good condition. We do have a couple little burn marks here. I'm not noticing any smells in here. The cigarette lighter is very lightly used, so I'm not going to call this one a non-smoker, but I also don't think it's something that's been smoked in a lot. Alrighty folks, we're going to go around the outside of this 2003 Pleasureway Excel TD. This RV measures 20 feet bumper to bumper with an 11-foot manual awning. It has 4 brand new tires. This Pleasureway is built on a Ford E350 chassis with a 5.4 liter V8 engine with 51,789 miles. Got some small blemishes around like this, a little bit of boo-boos on the stripes here and there like so. Lots and lots of shine left on this 2003 though, very good looking unit. Got the back of the refrigerator, furnace exhaust, porch light. Got your coach battery in there. We do have actual alloy rims on this unit. 2 110 plug-ins so you can plug things in beneath the awning. Storage bay. Coming around to the back of the unit, got a storage spot here. You can also access that from the inside of the coach there. Got your spare tire down below. Got a TV antenna up top. This is your air conditioner. Storage bay with your water hose. Some other goodies. Back of the water heater. The fresh water fill. Sewer hose storage. Got your sewer drains here. This is the black valve and the gray valve, so pull the black first. That'll let the toilet go. And the gray, that's the sink and shower. Got your coax coming in. City water connection. Got your shore power inlet. Propane tank, you got a gauge there. It's a valve to shut that on and off. Got your generator exhaust. This is your generator right here. There's a fresh service, fresh oil change by our certified own-in technicians. Outside shower here. This is convenient to wash your shoes off here at the beach, kids, pets, things like that. Got the fuel fill for the engine and the generator. Those run off the same tank. The generator will stop running around a quarter tank. All in all, a really, really good looking 2003 here. My wife and I just returned from a trip to Boston and Salem, Massachusetts over Halloween with our moms to celebrate their birthdays. The name of our group was 3 Witches and a Warlock, and we loved seeing the history and excitement of Salem on Halloween weekend. We stopped in at Cheers before heading along the Freedom Trail to learn more about America's beginning. We visited the Old North Church from Paul Revere's famous midnight ride and sat in the same pew that Teddy Roosevelt sat in. We threw the tea into the harbor at the Boston Tea Party Museum. And we even had dinner at Paul Revere and Sam Adams' favorite watering hole. The Green Dragon Tavern was established in 1654 and is known as the headquarters of the Revolution.